What is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, it's me again, Mr. Learning, and we're back with another video. Alright, so last time we discussed about how to use the past and failed formula using MS Excel, and now we'll just upgrade it a bit, alright? And we're going to make some appealing styles with our remarks, alright? With the past and fail formula. Okay? Today we're gonna be using conditional formatting. Alright, and the demo that I'm going to show you is how to make an auto Greenmark or Redmark for failing grades, Greenmark for passing grades. Okay, with the use of conditional formatting. Alright, but if this is your first time to visit my channel, please don't forget to support me. My channel always uploads video tutorials about computers and more. Alright, so without further ado, let's do this one.